When most investors read the numbers, they look at a row of revenue figures and then try to build a picture in their head. But there's a faster, clearer way to understand how a company actually earns and spends its money. Hello everyone, I'm Paul from Cassia, and this is the visualization workspace we built for exactly that. When you first come to the page, you start by typing in the ticker or the company name, and what you will be returned with is a full list of regulatory filings. Click on the one you're interested in. For the purposes of this video, I'm going to be talking you through the income statement. But remember that this functionality I'm showing you is exactly the same whether you select balance sheet or cash flow data as well. When it opens, what you're looking at here is the company's income structure, visually rendered and coming directly from the actual reported figures. In seconds, you can see where a company makes its money and where it spends it. If you feel you need to verify these numbers, just click on one of the columns. Click Show on Filings, and then the number is shown directly in the relevant SEC report. That's something tens of rows of spreadsheet data can't do in the same way. Alongside the chart, we've built an Ask AI feature that both summarises and walks you through what you're seeing, what the numbers mean, what stands out, and what questions you might want to ask next. It's like having an analyst explain the whole picture to you all at once, all in one simple summary. Similarly, if you'd like to change the layout, just drag and drop the bars to save your layout. That way, next time you log in, you will have exactly the format that you desire. Also, if you'd like to save the layout, just hit Save Image, and you can choose where to save it in the Cassia Your Files section of the website. If you want to look at a change in a specific number over a period of time, just click on the line item, select Chart, and it will show you the trend over time. Again, all derived from the actual SEC filings. Want to see how gross margin has trended over a decade? It's just one click away. It makes financial exploration genuinely fast. Visual financial analysis, an AI explanation, click to chart on any line item, and direct links to the underlying SEC filings, all in one workspace. We're continually working to build out the visualization tools, so if there's a view or a chart type you'd like to see, please do let us know. See you in the next video.